Here's a simple step-by-step guide to add backup codes to your Google account for extra security. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Google, then tap Manage your Google account. You can also do this on a computer by visiting myaccount.google.com. In your Google account menu, swipe over to the Security tab. This is where Google stores your sign-in and verification options. Scroll down until you see Signing in to Google, then tap Two-Step Verification. You may be asked to enter your password. After signing in, scroll down to find more verification methods. Look for backup codes and tap Setup or Show Codes. Google will instantly generate 10 unique backup codes you can use when you don't have your phone. Each code works one time, and you can download them, print them, or write them down. Make sure to store these codes somewhere safe, like a password manager or a secure notes app. If you lose them or use them all, tap Get New Codes to generate a fresh set. Backup codes let you access your account if you lose your phone, break your device, or can't receive verification codes. They're one of the safest backup methods Google offers. And that's it. Now you have backup codes added to your Google account for emergency access.